Hmm.
Minimize new. Okay. A good mental health is vital to our overall health and well-being. Yet, 1 in 8 people globally are living with mental health conditions, which can impact their physical health and their well-being, how they are connected with others, and their livelihoods. Mental health conditions are also affecting an increasing number of adolescents and young people. So today, on this significant occasion of World Mental Health Day, it's my honor and my privilege to introduce Dr. Shyam Ganvi sir, who was my principal from Vikhe Patil College, an individual whose unwavering dedication in healing the society and also mental health advocacy has made a profound impact on our community. His dedication to promote mental health awareness and his unwavering commitment to making the world a better place for those facing mental health challenges make him an exemplary role model for all of us. So, without wasting any time, let us all begin with the conversations. A very good morning, sir, and
Good
welcome.
morning.
Yes, how are you, sir, today?
Yeah, fine, fine, good, all is good. I'm happy to see that you are very much active in your field and doing good in your rehabilitation.
Thank
And
you.
thank you for inviting me for this talk.
Actually, it is my honor and my privilege that you agreed to speak speak today with me.
Right,
So,
right.
sir, we have seen different views of different people. Like everyone has their own perception, their own concept about something. So, what are your views on mental health?
Basically, again, I would like to start like the World Mental Health of this October 10th, October 2023. This is the day to raise the awareness and among the people and in the community also. But then always I feel that as an academician in the physiotherapy profession, I always feel that each and every student and every workers, those who are in my workplace also, they are always with some low mental health. And I feel that awareness among the community is very much important, but still to have our own awareness, how your mental health is low or how it is going to improve. So that assessment of the mental health is very, very important, each and every students, and as well as in the workers, those who are working in the workplace to give his more potential, to give it activity and fruitful in his own area. So the basically the we should run with the theme of that it is a universal human right, mental health, and each and every person should know about the mental about his mental health group. That is what my perception as an academician in the this field.
Wow, you rightly said. Who has this theme this time? That is, mental health is universal right. Our mind and our rights. So it is important to spread the awareness in people. And you being an academician and a physiotherapist by profession, me being physiotherapist by profession, how do you think this mental health is related to physiotherapy? How we can
Right.
relate them?
It is a very, very, very good question. This can be a good example. Myself, I can set one good example for you. Mental health, physical activity, and physiotherapy. It has got a very, very strong relationship and association with each other. When you talk about the good mental health, it is a very, very vital in the overall health of well-being, self-esteem, self-confidence, where we can stand ourselves in the society with good mental health, and for that we always required a physical fitness. Physical activity is very, very important. What is my motto to tell you that every individuals are very much busy in their work and they forget to take the care of their body. And when we say that your a healthy mind is an healthy body, or it can be a vice versa also. So for that, you require to spare at least 45 minutes in a day for doing some physical activity in the form of swimming, in the form of playing, in the form of exercises. And indirectly, it is nothing but it's a physiotherapy where you can improve your cardiovascular endurance, where you can decrease your anxiety, where you can decrease your depression, where you can decrease your what you call we can increase your physical fitness also. So this all those components are basically required to improve your mental health, and that's why it is very strongly associated. There are many evidence-based studies are being given by many authors that the certain form of exercises are very much necessary to improve your mental health. And that's why say that a healthy mind is your healthy body. So you have to be always fit with good fitness to have your good mental health.
Thank you so much, sir. I remember I have been, actually motivated and I got inspired by you. You being a
Mm.
principal of the college, after the college, you are doing your physical activities like playing badminton, swimming, and literally, I just started following you. I started going to gym. I started
Okay.
feeling much better. If I was angry, my mood, automatically changes when I
Yes, yes,
exercise.
definitely.
But being a sports physiotherapist, is there any kind of pain that leads to anxiety or depression?
Can you pardon? Sports
Can,
injury?
can any kind of pain lead to
Yeah.
anxiety or depression?
Definitely, definitely. See, as an sports person, and either it is a sports person or any individual who is going for some competition or going for some playing some competition at it. It can be a school level or it can be a national level, whatever may be. Everyone has some kind of anxiety. Some kind of anxiety will be always there, and it is good also. If you are having the some kind of anxiety, definitely you will try to work hard for that to overcome. But then that anxiety should not become a over anxiety. So that type of anxiety may be always be there. So to overcome of such type of anxiety, I think you should be very calm. You should do a certain type of meditation. You should do the certain type of yoga, and where the physical therapy is also very much important in this concept. So that type of anxiety, to overcome that type of anxiety, you should sometimes listen to the music also. The music therapy is also one type of therapy in the physical therapy. We are not that nowadays we are using that therapy also. So such type of anxiety is always there, and to overcome such type of anxiety, basically you required that type of physical therapy.
That's a very wonderful insight. I would definitely try with the sportsmen who come to my clinic to get rehabilitation. I'll start with music therapy.
Very
Definitely.
good, very good. That's yeah, right.
Okay. According to your expertise and years of experience, what is the role of physiotherapist in managing pain, whether it is physical or psychological? Is there
Yes,
any
this is a
relation between them?
yeah, this is a very very directly that you have asked me as an physiotherapy how we can manage the pain. Our prime duty of any physiotherapist, the patient or anybody who visit to our clinic or in the OPD, the pain is the prior complaint of any patient. And definitely, if there is some injured pain is there or some degenerative joint pains are there, definitely there are a lot of physiotherapy managements are there, and some modalities are there, some skill therapies are there, some hand therapies are there, many things are there, and definitely the physiotherapy helps a lot by applying such type of modality and such type of method to relieve the pain. But the in the sense like as and today is a World Mental Health Day, and if the patients are coming with the pain, any kind of pain, my again suggestion is that we should go for some counseling of the patient, whether it is anxiety pain, depression's pain, or mental pain, or it is injured pain. So that assessment is very very much important, and on the base of that we should always treat the patient for the pain. Yeah, of course, there are many modalities are there. There are many approaches are there where we can kill the pain. But sometimes nowadays it is more than 80% of the patient has some psychological type of pain. So talking with them, discussing with them about their work, about their problems, that really help the patient to relieve the pain. So always we say that your tongues are more better than your skills. So if you speak properly with them in their favor, definitely that pain get relief on the spot on that day. With the 80% of the pain will get relief. That is what I have experienced in my life.
So I have a very similar experience. I had a patient who was playing A division cricket and was waiting for a Ranji Trophy
Right.
debut, and he
Okay.
suddenly got an ACL tear, and he had to operate. And
Right.
he was so tensed, and he had so much of anxiety that
Right.
talking to him made him better 50%.
Yes. Definitely. It is
Because what's
a
going on in
magic. You
his
can say it
mind,
is
yes,
right.
it gives a boost if they see something positive. If we are in a
Right.
positive approach, they'll put in their trust to us. And when they put
Right.
trust, we can do wonders.
Yes, excellent, excellent.
Yes,
So such a
thank you.
small examples also I'm having that I have seen many times.
Mhm.
Basically, our mother or parents, and child is always he or she do some mistakes, right? So I have seen about what is I have observed many times. If the child does some mistakes and he or she might be very much tense and anxiety may be there. So that is the medicine for them is only your good conversation with your daughter and with your son, and that mother can do very well. So I always say that mother is a very good therapy for the child. So this can be also one of the example. If you try to scold them again and again, so that become the condition become more severity. So mother is a good therapy for the child if they always try to adjust their mistakes and try to solve their mistakes. So this is a good example what I have seen in my life.
Wow. Thank you so much, sir, for
Yes.
removing time to and committing to it and being, strong-headed here.
Right.
Before I leave, I will still ask you a single question. Do you have any takeaways for our audience?
Definitely, definitely. As today is a very more important day, that is a World Mental Health Day is there. I would like to say that each and every person should have the self-awareness, number one, and each and every person should spare few minutes, few time, or at least 45 minutes to their body to make their mind healthy, to make their body very healthy. So exercise is very, very important, and they should spare some time with their friend also, which can improve your mental health, because friend is only a solution for every individual where you can speak very freely. And I would like to say also that daughters are also very lucky where they can talk more freely with their mothers rather than the son who cannot talk with their father more freely. So I think this they should take this good message from here. Have a good friends, discuss with the friends any problem is there, discuss with the mother if daughter is there. And physical fitness is more important, doing exercise is very important, and self awareness, counseling to self itself, how low you are, how you can improve your mental health. So what are the ways they can feel that improve mental health? Definitely they should go through that approaches.
Wow, sir. Well said. Thank you so much for removing time. And I
Right.
hope we'll, have different conversation on different topics in coming future.
Sure.
Thank you
Sure.
so much.
Thank you so much for inviting me, and I'm looking forward also to discuss more and more topics. And really, I'm proud of Neha doing very good in your field, and you are taking a very innovative ideas of making the conversation, and indirectly you are giving the knowledge to the people about this concept. So thank you so much, Neha, for calling me.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks.
We'll leave and I'll give you a normal call.
Okay, right.
Yeah.